In the years leading up to the Second World War, Soviet tank designers faced a growing engineering challenge. Existing armored vehicles were becoming vulnerable as anti-tank weapons improved, while the battlefield demanded machines capable of crossing mud, snow, forests, and rough terrain. The military needed a tank that could combine protection, mobility, firepower, and reliability without becoming too heavy or complicated to manufacture. The result was the T-34, a medium tank built around one important idea: balance. Instead of maximizing a single feature, its designers wanted every major system to work together as one practical fighting machine. One of its most important innovations was the sloped armor. Rather than relying mainly on vertical plates, engineers angled the hull, increasing the effective protection against incoming projectiles while reducing unnecessary weight. Its wide tracks also distributed the tank's mass over a larger area, reducing ground pressure and improving traction on soft terrain. Large road wheels and a strong suspension helped absorb shocks from uneven ground, allowing the tank to maintain mobility across difficult surfaces. The running gear had to withstand enormous forces while supporting the vehicle and transferring engine power into the ground. At the rear, a diesel engine supplied the power needed to move the tank. That power passed through the transmission and drivetrain before reaching the tracks, allowing the T-34 to accelerate, climb slopes, and cross difficult terrain. Above the hull sat the rotating turret, carrying the main gun and its operating mechanisms. Inside, space was limited, forcing engineers to carefully arrange ammunition, controls, optics, and crew positions. Every component had to fit into a compact structure while surviving constant vibration and mechanical stress. But designing the tank was only half the challenge. It also had to be produced in enormous numbers. Soviet factories simplified manufacturing wherever possible so armor, tracks, engines, suspension components, and turrets could be assembled efficiently. The final machine combined protection, mobility, firepower, reliability, and manufacturability into one platform. It was not the heaviest or most sophisticated tank of its era. Its real strength was balance, simple engineering principles combined into a practical machine that became one of the most influential tanks of the Second World War.